Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to all of you guys in Easy English. Hope so all of you will be fine and doing well. In our today lecture, we will cover the term adverb. What is meant by adverb? Here is the outline that we can cover in our today lecture. These are the outlines we will describe in our lecture. Definition, example, and different is meant adverb. What is meant by adverb? Adverb is also called as a modifier of the words. The words which use to modify the adverb, adjective, or another adverb is called adverb. For example, Ahmad runs quickly. Here, runs is a verb and quickly is a word which modify the runs. How run? Quickly, in which shows the manner of the adverb. So, here quickly is used to as adverb which modify the verb. There are 8 types of the adverb. First one is adverb of time. By the name shows that the adverb which used to show time of an action and answer in the form of when. For example, he comes here daily. When he comes here daily, in which daily is used to modify the adverb of the time. Also uses words before, ago, yesterday used to denote the adverb of the time. The second one is adverb of frequency. The adverb which use. The second one is adverb of the frequency. The second one is Next one is adverb of frequency. The adverb which is used to show frequency of an action and answer in how. For example, how often someone asks how makes mistake, we can answer often. So the often is used to describe the adverb of the frequency. Some other words like always, regularly denoted the adverb of the frequency. The next one is adverb of place. The adverb which is used to show the place of action and it is used to answer with the word where. For example, my brother is out. Someone asks, where is your brother? We can reply him, my brother is out. Some other words like here, there is also used to represent the adverb of place. The next one is adverb of manners. By the name shows that the adverb which is used to show manners of the action and answer in what manners. For example, Ahmed fought bravely. If someone asks, in what manners Ahmed fought bravely. So bravely shows the adverb of manners. Some other words like slowly, clearly also used to denoting the adverb of manners. And the next one is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, the adverb which is used to show the degree of action and answer in how much, in what extent, and in what degree is used. For example, I was too careless. If someone asks how much he was careless, he was too much careless. And you are quite wrong. Here quite is used to adverb of the degree. Some other words like fully, partially are also used to shows the adverb of degree. The next also kind of adverb which shows the something is true or something is equivalent expression is called adverb of affirmation. For example, surely you are mistaken, in which we have truth, and some believe that use the word surely you are mistaken. And also some words like certainly also uses in the adverb of affirmation. The next one is adverb of reason. The adverb which shows the reason of the action and the answer in why. For example, he therefore left the school. Why he left the school? He therefore left the school. Here therefore represent the adverb of the reason, like hence is also uses to denoting the adverb of reason. Next one is interrogative adverb. Interrogative shows that which is used to ask a question about place, time, or manner or reason. For example, where is Ahmad? Where is used to interrogative verb when also uses. And one more example, where do you live? Here shows that interrogative verb. So we had covered all the outlines of our today lecture. So that is all from my side, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.